The Nerpa1085 airboat is one of the most capacious and powerful airboats. The thrust force of its power unit is 12,260 Nm, thanks to a 300 horsepower Cummins diesel engine combined with two large diameter propellers of 2.5 meters. The transmission is made using a patented V-shaped belt reduction gear, which allowed the engine to be positioned very low. Together, the structural elements allow the airboat weighing 2,800 kilograms to move even on the ground and reach a speed of 75 km per hour on water and 150 km per hour on snow. Carrying capacity of Nerpa1085 is 1,500 kilograms on water and 2,000 kilograms on snow. In order to achieve a low center of gravity, in addition to the lower engine location, the shock suspension was installed below inside the body. This provides stability and confident handling. The shock-absorbing suspension reduces the shock load on the cab by 5 times, preventing the gradual destruction of the structure from metal fatigue and providing passenger comfort when driving over hummocks. It is made with the use of adjustable suppression air bellows, which allows you to change the suspension travel from 0 to 250 mm from the driver's seat. Airboats have much better handling than hovercrafts, as they always have contact with the surface. There is no drift, thanks to which Nerpa1085 can be used in winds up to 15 meters per second and overcome waves up to 1 meter high. Airboats do not have unreliable skirts that wear out and tear on hummocks. Unlike hovercrafts, Nerpa1085, with its powerful protection, passes hummocks up to 1 meter high. It can be operated at temperatures from -50 to +30 degrees Celsius. To protect against abrasion and damage, the bottom of the ski boat hull is covered with 10 mm thick polyethylene sheets. A deformation spacer made of lightweight rubber 60 mm thick is laid between the body and the polyethylene sheets, which additionally softens the shock load. The ski boat is filled with the extruded polystyrene foam, providing a 130% buoyancy margin for the airboat. The cabin has heat and sound insulation of walls 50 mm and floor 100 mm. All glasses are made of reinforced impact-resistant glass units. 2 sofas with 4 seats are located along the sides. Total passenger capacity is 10 people, including the driver. For the driver and 1 passenger, superior comfort seats are installed. Luggage compartments are organized in the cockpit under the sofas. The airboat has a cargo area in the bow. As an option, 2 additional lockers can be installed on the deck in front of the cockpit. The Nerpa airboat has a certificate of conformity, a technical passport, and requires registration with the state inspection of small vessels as a small boat.